Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about upgrading your home with something efficient and space-saving, this video is for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best electric tankless water heaters, chosen for their heating power, reliability, and overall value. These things aren't just about saving space. They're about never running out of hot water mid-shower again. For more details and the latest prices, find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started. We're starting with the Rheem RTEX-24. This is a heavy hitter designed for whole home use. It packs 24 kilowatts of power and can push up to 5.9 gallons per minute in warmer climates. That's enough for 2 showers and 2 sinks at once without breaking a sweat. It features an on-off dial with a digital display that lets you adjust the temp in 1-degree increments. It's incredibly compact, being roughly 90% smaller than a traditional tank. This saves massive amounts of space in your utility room. Inside, it uses energy modulation to ensure it only draws what's needed to maintain your set temperature. It requires no venting, making the installation much more flexible than gas units. Verdict: this thing is a beast if your electrical panel can handle it. You'll need 3 40-amp double-pole breakers and a 200-amp service, so check your breakers first. It's a premium pick for families who want endless hot water. While it's a top-tier performer, some users noted it works best in warmer regions. If you've got the power capacity, it's a smart, reliable upgrade for any modern home. Next up is the EcoSmart ECO-11. This one is perfect for smaller setups, like an apartment or a single bathroom. It runs on 13 kilowatts and uses a patented self-modulating technology. Basically, it only uses the exact amount of energy needed to hit your target temp, which saves a ton on the electric bill. It's 99% thermal energy efficient and fits practically anywhere. We're talking point-of-use convenience that fits inside a cabinet under the sink. It's designed for climates where the incoming wire is around 67 degrees or higher for the best results. The digital display is easy to read and allows for precise temperature tuning. Verdict: it's a budget-friendly solution for low-flow needs. It takes about 30 seconds to get the water hot, so don't expect instant heat the second you turn the tap. While it performs well in the summer, it might struggle in the dead of winter if you're in a northern state. We recommend it for single-point applications or small offices where you don't need massive flow. It's a solid, efficient choice if you're realistic about its limits. We're checking out the Rheem RTEX-11 now. This is the smaller sibling to the 24 kilowatt model, designed specifically for point-of-use or very small homes. It delivers about 2.68 gallons per minute, which is enough for 1 shower and maybe a sink. It uses the same digital temperature control as the bigger units, so you get precise heat management without the guesswork. The half-inch NPT connections on the side make the plumbing side of things pretty straightforward for most DIY setups. It's sleek, gray, and small enough to hide away almost anywhere. The internal heating elements are reliable and designed for years of consistent use without much maintenance. Verdict: this unit is a great middle ground pick. It only needs 1 50-amp breaker, so it's much easier on your electrical system than the massive whole home models. It's perfect for a guest house or a workshop where you need reliable hot water but don't want to rewire the building. Just keep in mind that if your groundwater is ice cold, you won't get a massive temperature rise at high flow. It's an affordable, compact workhorse. Moving on to the WINTEMP WT-WN27K. This thing is built for high demand, pushing out up to 6.5 gallons per minute. That's enough for a whole house with multiple fixtures running at once. What sets this apart is the built-in Wi-Fi control. We can actually adjust the temperature and monitor usage from a smartphone app, which is a nice modern touch. It's a self-regulating unit that adjusts power input in real time based on your flow rate. It also packs multiple safety protections, like overheat and dry fire protection, to keep things running safely. The ETL certification gives you that extra peace of mind regarding long-term safety standards. Verdict: it's a high-end, tech-forward choice for bigger families. You'll need a serious electrical setup. We're talking 3 40-amp breakers and a 250-amp service is recommended for the best reliability. Some users felt the plastic casing felt a bit cheap compared to metal ones, but the internal performance is solid. It delivers a massive amount of hot water for the price. If you want smart features and power for multiple showers, this is a beast. Finally, we have the APUS 27 kilowatt model. This is another high-capacity unit that delivers up to 6.5 gallons per minute on demand.
It uses a cast aluminum heating element, which is a big deal because it resists scale buildup way better than standard copper elements. This means it should last much longer in areas with hard water issues. It also features a memory function, so if the power goes out, it remembers your temperature settings once it reboots. It's designed to be 99.8% efficient, cutting down your energy costs significantly. The 3/4-inch NPT connections ensure it fits standard plumbing setups with minimal hassle. Verdict: this is a premium, energy-saving pick for hard water areas. It's incredibly efficient and helps eliminate standby loss. Like other 27-kilowatt units, it's power-hungry and needs 3 40-amp breakers. Some feedback suggests it might struggle to reach max temps if you're pulling high flow during a freezing winter. However, for most whole home applications, it's a space-saving powerhouse. It's a smart choice if you're tired of dealing with sediment and want a durable heating element.
And that wraps up the top 5 best electric tankless water heaters. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the very next one.